Hello friends. How are you? I hope you are all fine. So in this video our topic is about operating system. Definition. An operating system is the system software or program that, after being initially loaded into the computer by a boot program, it is the command and control of the computer which manages computer hardware, software resources, and provides various services for application programs. The application programs make use of the operating system by making requests for services through a defined application program interface, API. It serves as an intermediary between users and the computer's hardware, enabling users to interact with the computer and run applications. In addition, users can interact directly with the operating system through a user interface, such as a command line interface, CLI, or a graphical user interface, GUI. Examples of operating systems: Windows, GUI-based, PC, GNU, Linux, personal, workstations, ISP, file, and print server, 3-tier client, server, macOS, Macintosh, used for Apple's personal computers and workstations, MacBook, iMac, Android, Google's operating system for smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, iOS, Apple's OS for iPhone, iPad, and iPod Touch. Important tasks performed by the operating system. The main functions of operating systems are as follow. Process management. It manages processes, individual tasks or programs, by allocating CPU time, memory, and other resources. Memory management. It controls and allocates system memory to different processes and ensures efficient use of available memory. File system management. It provides a structured way to store, organize, and access files and data on storage devices. Device management. It handles communication between software and hardware devices such as printers, keyboards, and network interfaces. User interface. It offers a graphical or command line interface that allows users to interact with the computer and execute programs. Security and access control. It enforces security policies, user authentication, and access control to protect data and resources. Networking. It supports network protocols and allows computers to connect and communicate over networks. Types of operating system. Single-user OS. Designed for use by one person at a time, typically found on personal computers. Multi-user OS. Supports multiple users simultaneously, often found on servers or mainframes. Single-tasking OS. Handles one task at a time. Multitasking OS. Allows multiple tasks to run concurrently. Real-time OS. Designed for time-critical applications, such as embedded systems and robotics. Thanks for watching the video. So don't forget to like, comments, share and subscribe to the channel. And press the bell icon for notifications of incoming videos. Thank you.